From the rise of GPT-5 to an AI-induced stock market crash, the world of artificial intelligence has witnessed a myriad of extraordinary events. Amidst the deluge of news, it's easy to miss these remarkable occurrences. So, let's delve into the enthralling highlights of this week's AI landscape. Remember when deep fakes burst onto the scene? Well, they continue to captivate and evolve. A Redditor's creation showcased the astounding progress in deep fake technology, employing stable diffusion controllers and Epson TH fusion to yield an incredibly realistic counterfeit. While impressive, it also sent shivers down our spines. For the lightning-fast advancement of AI in facial reconstruction and deep fakes poses an ominous prospect. In terms of economic impact, a truly disconcerting incident unfolded. An AI-generated image of an explosion at the U.S. Pentagon surfaced, causing widespread alarm. Numerous news outlets mistakenly reported it as genuine, leading to a rapid plunge of 30 points in the S&P 500. The consequence? A staggering $500 billion market cap swing, all triggered by a fabricated image. Thankfully, once the falsehood was revealed, the market regained its footing. This incident served as a powerful reminder that a single AI-propagated image wielded the power to wipe out billions in value, leaving us to ponder the potential havoc when AI's capabilities expand further, perhaps through video and text modalities. Prepare yourselves for a spine-chilling spectacle, a clip that left me utterly petrified. An episode of 60 Minutes shed light on an ethical hacker whose skills in AI were both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Prepare to be astonished as I recount a mind-blowing incident, where artificial intelligence was employed to orchestrate an audacious scam right before their very eyes. The sheer audacity of this real-time AI deception left everyone flabbergasted. Unfortunately, I can't share the clip here due to copyright reasons. But trust me when I say that witnessing it will make you grasp the gravity of privacy concerns and the impending impact of AI on our trusted verification tools. The swindlers swiftly acquired data with such alarming efficiency that it sent shivers down my spine. This incident shattered the misconception that only the elderly or technologically naive fall victim to scams. Even a young, tech-savvy individual was ensnared. As these exploits become more commonplace, we urgently require innovative solutions to safeguard against them. In the realm of technological marvels, a Twitter user showcased a wearable device that bestowed artificial intelligence with the ability to perceive the world. By combining opening eyes whisper for hearing, and image-to-text model for vision, and 11 Labs human-like voice model for speech, this project pushed the boundaries of what AI can achieve. What's truly remarkable is that it was entirely coded by TPD-4, igniting intrigue and raising questions about the potential of AI-driven creations. But this revelation paves the way for an even more compelling discussion. Enter Humane, a company staffed with an impressive lineup of former Apple employees, including key figures responsible for shaping Apple into the tech giant it is today. They are now poised to revolutionize our lives with artificial intelligence-powered wearables that aim to supplant our reliance on smartphones. Humane's TED Talk showcased a tantalizing glimpse of their product's capabilities, leaving us in awe. It's evident that as AI models continue to advance, Humane's offerings will only become more awe-inspiring. Meanwhile, Blockade Labs astounded the creative community with their latest innovation, Sketch to 3D World. Building upon their previous breakthroughs in text prompts, this new feature grants users unprecedented control over the final output. Imagine sketching out a virtual environment and effortlessly manipulating its layout to align with your creative vision. Such advancements empower the next generation of artistic minds, allowing for greater expression and artistic control. The potential of these AI-powered tools to shape the future is nothing short of captivating, and we're only scratching the surface of what AI has in store for us. The realm of possibilities in the AI landscape remains tantalizingly unknown, with each passing day bringing new revelations. Consider the audacious exploit where someone harnessed the power of self-cloning. An influencer seized the opportunity to launch an AI girlfriend voice bot, reaping astonishing revenue of $72,000 within a single week. Astonishingly, users willingly spent over an hour engaging in captivating conversations at a rate of $1 per minute. This ingenious cloning of the influencer's voice, possibly leveraging the capabilities of 11 Labs, enabled them to provide a personalized experience to countless users simultaneously, transforming their business model and offering a glimpse into the future transformations of various industries. Another breakthrough that caught my attention is the advent of Cody, an extraordinary achievement in any-to-any generation through composable diffusion. Research papers have increasingly explored this fascinating concept, allowing seamless transitions between video, image, audio, and text modalities. Imagine the ability to effortlessly convert one modality into another, expanding the creative possibilities in unimaginable ways. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, also unveiled a similar concept, indicating a clear trajectory toward multimodal capabilities for large language models like GPT-5. These advancements signal a future where AI transcends textual limitations and embraces the full spectrum of image, video, text, and audio. In addition to these groundbreaking developments, significant strides have been made in the scientific community, particularly in the realm of image-related advancements. Although the specifics of these remarkable scientific breakthroughs were not expounded upon, their mention signifies the relentless pursuit of innovation within the field of AI. As the boundaries of AI continue to be pushed, we find ourselves standing at the precipice of a new era, brimming with uncharted possibilities. What lies ahead is a tapestry woven with the threads of imagination, where AI's impact on our lives and industries will shape a future that was once confined to the realm of dreams. Prepare to be captivated by the extraordinary advancements in AI research and its mind-boggling applications. Imagine the ability to reconstruct ground truth videos simply by analyzing brain data obtained from functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI. While we briefly touched upon this development in previous weeks, researchers are currently harnessing the power of AI to refine this technique, aiming to achieve even higher quality image reconstruction. The initial results displayed on screen are nothing short of impressive, showcasing the potential effectiveness of this cutting-edge approach. In a surprising turn of events, Adobe, the renowned software company, unleashed a fascinating AI tool that sent shockwaves through the industry. This tool, boasting an amalgamation of entertainment and intrigue, allows users to manipulate and expand images using AI-powered generative fills. The myriad of applications for this tool is boundless, and Adobe's Photoshop team provided live demonstrations, leaving many astonished. What's even more astonishing is the seamless integration of this tool, known as Firefly, across all Adobe products. The early success and reception of Firefly, coupled with platforms like Midjourney, have ignited a wave of creativity and exceptional results among users. Not to be outdone, Microsoft made a stunning announcement, revealing 3 mind-blowing advancements. The first centers around an update for Bing, their search engine, featuring ChatGPT and various integrations. In a compelling demonstration, Bing showcased its ability to provide real-time, up-to-date information with citations, allowing users to dive deeper into sourced web pages. Microsoft's integration of context understanding within Bing enabled users to seamlessly convert the information into personalized shopping lists, effortlessly using the Instacart plugin. This unparalleled productivity benefit opens up new possibilities for users, revolutionizing the way information is obtained and acted upon. Continuing their innovative streak, Microsoft unveiled Windows Copilot, a revolutionary concept akin to having Bing for your computer. This cutting-edge tool allows users to effortlessly seek assistance and insights about their computer by simply asking questions. This integration of AI within Windows presents a paradigm shift, transforming the user experience and empowering individuals with quick access to information at their fingertips. The rapid evolution of AI continues to astound, presenting a future where technology transcends boundaries we once deemed impossible. These extraordinary developments hint at a world where AI serves as a guiding companion, enhancing our lives and propelling us into a realm of unparalleled possibilities. Prepare to be amazed by the boundless capabilities of AI as it becomes an active and responsive companion on your computer. Imagine a virtual assistant that can execute programs and commands, effortlessly guiding you through the complexities of your machine. This revolutionary concept by Microsoft brings a sigh of relief to those who find themselves lost amidst the labyrinthine pathways of their computers. No more fumbling through forums or scouring settings menus. Simply input a text prompt and watch as your desired data materializes in real time. The efficiency and ease provided by this AI-driven functionality are set to transform the way we navigate our digital realms. Microsoft's captivating innovations arrived hot on the heels of Google's remarkable I/O event, firmly establishing their position at the forefront of technological breakthroughs. As the tech giants engage in a captivating tug-of-war, Microsoft showcased their unwavering determination to stay ahead of the curve. In an enlightening interview, Sam Altman delved into the future modalities that will shape the path towards true artificial general intelligence, AGI. While acknowledging the merits of text-based models, Altman emphasized the unparalleled potential of video as a transformative medium. Video, with its rich visual content, promises a faster and more comprehensive journey towards AGI, surpassing the limitations of text. This forward-thinking perspective offers a tantalizing glimpse into the expansive possibilities that lie ahead. Meanwhile, Adobe, renowned for their creative prowess, embarks on an ambitious endeavor, the development of a text-to-3D image composer. Imagine the ability to transform mere text into intricate three-dimensional models, bridging the gap between imagination and reality. This groundbreaking project by Adobe promises to unlock new dimensions of creative expression, revolutionizing the way we visualize and bring our ideas to life. The intersection of AI and human ingenuity continues to propel us into uncharted territories, expanding the horizons of what is possible. With each new discovery and innovation, the boundaries of human potential are stretched, paving the way for a future where technology becomes an extension of our own capabilities. Embrace the awe-inspiring journey as we venture towards a world shaped by the limitless possibilities of AI. Prepare to have your mind blown as the dynamic rivalry between Adobe and Midjourney takes a surprising turn. Just when Midjourney seemed to be gaining ground and snatching market share from Photoshop, Adobe unleashed a game-changing innovation, reclaiming its dominance. It's as if Photoshop has emerged from the shadows, ready to reclaim its throne and captivate the creative world once more. Enter Drag, a remarkable tool that Adobe has its sights on, sparking speculation of an imminent acquisition. Drag defies conventions and reshapes the way we manipulate images, blurring the boundaries between reality and imagination. With the power to transform images into 3D-like models, Drag presents a formidable alternative to traditional Photoshop techniques. Its efficiency and ingenuity are undeniable, although it does come with its fair share of quirks and limitations. The need for extensive image training sets and the occasional presence of artifacts may pose challenges. But the sheer innovation behind Drag is unprecedented. Meanwhile, an intriguing company named Figure has made waves in the industry by securing a staggering $70 million in a Series A funding round. Their ambitious goal? To bring humanoid robots to life. Brace yourselves, as the era of humanoid robotics is rapidly approaching. We can anticipate witnessing the debut of one of the first humanoid robots backed by OpenAI itself in the summer of 2023. Figure's remarkable progress is underscored by their recruitment of top talent from prestigious companies such as Boston Dynamics, Apple, and Tesla. With this substantial funding injection, Figure is poised to push the boundaries of what we can expect from these futuristic machines. Tesla's bots are already roaming and OpenAI is actively working on their own, while Figure adds another intriguing dimension to this evolving landscape. The strikingly sleek, slanted cylinder-shaped faces of these robots create a cohesive aesthetic, leaving us wondering what remarkable AI systems will power them in the near future. In a shocking twist, a groundbreaking paper recently surfaced, leaving the world astonished. Within its pages, the concept of the Tree of Thought unfolds, showcasing a staggering 900% improvement in GPT-4's reasoning abilities. This mind-bending leap in AI capabilities pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. For a more in-depth exploration of this mind-blowing revelation, I highly recommend delving into the linked video. As we eagerly await the forthcoming week, brimming with anticipation, it's clear that the realm of innovation shows no signs of slowing down. The constant stream of astonishing developments continues to redefine our expectations, leaving us hungry for what lies just beyond the horizon. Stay tuned for more mind-expanding discoveries and groundbreaking advancements that are sure to captivate our imaginations.